Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the Home Bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I am simply going over all the ways you can enter the chart of accounts through various parts of your QuickBooks Online profile. This is the fellow home bookkeeper view of QuickBooks Online. For the business owner's view, feel free to check out my QuickBooks Online tutorials for business owners playlist for a better view of what QuickBooks Online will look like for you. First, head up to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Under the Your Company column, click on the Chart of Accounts. Next, click on the Accounting tab in the left-hand side toolbar and click on Chart of Accounts. And finally, click on the Banking tab in the left-hand side toolbar. Open the Accounts Bank Register and click on the blue Back to Chart of Accounts link. And there you have it, all the ways that you can enter the chart of accounts wherever you may be within your QuickBooks Online profile. For more business resources, my online, self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.